In this video, we're going to answer 3 questions. What is the Bulletpoint Picatinny-Style Rail Mount? Why would you need it, and how to install it? The Picatinny Rail Mount is an all-aluminum accessory that can be used in 2 ways. As a standalone mount secured directly to a flat surface, or it can be installed directly to a RubiGrid mount. Our Picatinny-style rail mounts come in various sizes, depending on your mounting surface and how many devices you need to secure. They provide an even quicker and easier device mounting solution without sacrificing strength or rigidity. Various attachments including 20mm ball mounts, 20mm connectors, as well as third-party compatible 1-inch ball mounts are available. These rails are great for anyone who needs to modify their command center frequently. The advantage is that the mounting balls or connector ends can be quickly attached or removed with a single hex nut using the included hex key. Once secured, all that's left is to attach your mounting arms and device holders, and you're ready to hit the road. 2 sets of installation hardware are included, whether you're installing it on a flat surface or attaching it to a RubiGrid dash mount. Our RubiGrid nuts really make installation a breeze on any RubiGrid dash mount, since they resist rotation when in place. If you have any questions about our Picatinny-style rail mounts or any other products, feel free to reach out to our customer support team and they will help answer any questions and help customize your ultimate command center. Go Bulletpoint!